स्मिताताई म्हणल्या त्याचप्रमाणे हा पूर्ण वर्कशॉप आणि सेकंड लेवल रेकी करण्यामागचा हेतू हाच होता. द एंटायर पर्पस ऑफ डुईंग इट वॉज दॅट आय कुड बी ऑफ some help to people who really require it. Starting with myself, and I will just like to share one experience with everyone. A big thank you to Gauri ma'am, because she has been offering Reiki to my husband for the past 1.5 month. Okay, it so happened that on 11th May evening, suddenly he suffered a lot of chest pain and he was hospitalized, and the investigations showed that he requires an emergency bypass. So it all happened so fast, and it was also stressful. 11th evening or late night, you can say, he was hospitalized, and then 12th May all the investigations were done, and 12th May evening, when the angiography report showed that his left main artery, which is supposed to be the major artery supplying the heart, it had a major block, and the doctors were like in dilemma, like, how is this person alive here? Okay, so it was an emergency surgery which needed to be planned, and 13th May morning he was taken in for bypass. And Gauri happens to be a friend, and I've not been in touch with her for quite a long time, but then that morning instantly, I don't know from where, I just got that thought that I have to inform Gauri ki Gauri, Mihir needs Reiki. So I was trying to get in touch with her, but she was elsewhere out of Pune for some meditation session, and she was not reachable. I called up her husband, I messaged him, I said, somehow you just convey this to Gauri. Then before, like, he was taken for surgery by that time, and Gauri messaged me, don't worry, I'm giving him Reiki. It was fine. So now the entire thing, the cardiac surgeon also coming and telling us that it is going to be a very critical surgery. I'm going to try my best. So it was really difficult, but through that entire process, it was the surgeons, the cardiologists, the entire team working together to get everything done well. But that positive thought and the positive energy that was there all around us, for me sitting out of the operation theater for hours together, and maybe a few more days where I couldn't even go and meet him. In Ruby Hall, it's just like you just go and meet the person once and they just give us an update, what's happening, and they say, bye, you go out. So it was like we needed all that positivity around us. So many negative thoughts all coming around all the time. And especially so for my husband, who is quite a sensitive person. Like anything small happening here and there, he gets very anxious. And for him to take it that he has to undergo a major bypass, and that too, it's an emergency. Okay, so that for him to accept and for him to retaliate it, go along with it in such a positive way, I'm still amazed he has taken it so positively. And the beauty of the entire thing is, surgery जो भी डॉक्टर्स को करना था, जैसे हैंडल करना था, वो सब ठीक से हुआ. They have put in their best. They came out and said surgery went well, and his recovery from that point on, it was amazing. It was really amazing. It was like, I don't know, just a miracle probably that happened, and everything went fine. Today is just 1.5 months post his surgery, and he's walking 4 kilometers every day. So he's really doing well. Thank you, Gauri. I just wanted to mention this in front of everyone, and she still continues to give him Reiki. So you decide now when to stop. He's given rest. He's not supposed to join his work for 3 months. So maybe by 15th August, he should go back to work. But otherwise, he's doing really well. Thank you so much. So with that experience in hand, I thought that I should be able to, offer help to people who are really in need. So I should be able to do that, like for ourselves in our families also, or anywhere else. Like Gauri ma'am was just telling us, you need not even tell the person that you are offering some kind of help. So you have to be empowered to do that. So I think level 2 has helped us attain that. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Aarti. I would just like to add one more thing, that Aarti and Mir are very good friends of ours. And Mir himself is a very renowned Ayurvedic doctor. He's MD Ayurveda. And he is, I think, Dean of Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit. Am I right?
Vice principal of
Tilak Maharashtra.
Tilak Ayurveda. Yeah.
Tilak Ayurveda. Tilak Ayurveda School. And he's working with Nashik University of Medical Sciences also. So he is having a very responsible post and he himself being Ayurvedic doctor also, still, Reiki worked for him. So even for logical minds, Reiki works. So thank you so much, Aarti, for sharing this. Yeah.